Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 7. Match the following. You see, there are three options. One is 425 into 136 is equal to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. And number 2 is 2 into 49 into 50 is equal to 2 into 50 into 49. And number 3 is 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. You see, 425, this one 425 into 136 is equal to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100 is distributivity of multiplication over addition. The A1 will match with C. That means this figure will match with C. Match with C. Right? Number 2 is 2 into 49 into 50 is equal to 2 into 50 into 49. That means we are grouping together 2 into 50 first, after that we will multiply 49. Therefore, it is commutativity of under multiplication. This is the 2 means A. 2 is A. We will match this one with A. Right? And number 3 is 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. This is commutativity under addition. That means for this one, commutativity, that is A plus B plus C, that is for 3. This is number 1. Distributed multiplication over addition is A into B plus C. C is equal to A into B, A into B plus A into C, A into C. This is distributivity of multiplication over addition. This formula is distributivity B-U-T-I V-I distributivity of multiplication multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. Right? Second formula is this is distributive property multiplication over addition. This is number 1. Number 2 is A into B, A into B into C. First multiply A into B, after that into C. We can also multiply A into B into C first. B into C first. This is commutativity under multiplication. This is commutativity commutativity under multiplication. This is number 2, and number 3 is this one, that is 80 plus 2005 plus 20, that is A plus B plus C. First we have to add A plus B, after that C, or we can add another way, that is A plus B plus C. This is the same thing, and this is known as commutativity under addition. This is commutativity under addition. Commutativity we have this one. This is commutativity T dt, commutativity under addition, right? That means you have to follow these formulas. That is, number 1 is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is distributivity of multiplication over addition. And number 2 is A into B into C is equal to A into in bracket B into C. That is commutativity under multiplication, right? And number 3 is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus in bracket B plus C. This is commutativity under addition. Okay, that's why we are matching this one. That is number 1. You see, this is 425 into 136. A is equal to 425 plus 6 plus 30 plus 100. That is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Number 2 is 2 into 49 into 50. That is 2 into 50 I multiplied first. After that 49. Therefore it is commutativity under multiplication. And number 3 is 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. That is commutativity over addition, right? This is the solution of question number 7. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.